And we're back at it again, folks, in the back of a chipper. That's right. If you want to grow your landscaping business, you also got to make sure that you have some tree friends. That's right, some friends in the tree business. But today, we're not only giving this veteran a landscape makeover, we're also solving some problems. And as you can see here, this is a easy problem because it just says it's routine maintenance. It's all we do here. We make sure we keep our chippers clean. Never let them clog, and that's why we cleaned it up today, because hey, we didn't want it to clog. And now you can see what the inside of this chipper looks like, and that's what I wanted to show you guys.
Put them in the tunnel.
Get you in the tunnel. Let you go in for a second. She's hot right there, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad it gets warm.
Fresh and clean. So fresh and so clean, clean.
Minty fresh.
Minty fresh. And she's ready to go back to work. Well, there you got it right there, brother. It is being all brought to you exclusively over here at IGTV Landscaping, Landscape Geek Learning Academy, Brooks Landscaping, JPS Tree Service, guys. If you want to know how to grow your business, you want to make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can see all the ways in which we continue to help not only you as a landscape professional, but also homeowners understand ways in which they can improve their landscape conditions and solve a lot of landscape problems. This is something that's been brought to you exclusively right here only at this channel, and we show you everything from before to the end, my friend. So stay tuned, watch this amazing thought process that's about to take place. I'm gonna be able to start this chipper back up. I want to give her a little routine maintenance, and now you're gonna see the power of the green machine. We got planes flying in that's gonna be able to pick up some of the limbs for us. There you have it, folks. She's back up running and rocking and rolling. And this is gonna be brought to you exclusively, guys. I want you to see exactly how this chipper makes $1 million. That's right. This chipper is $1 million chipper, guys. $1 million chipper.